Are you ready for the best chicken? It's baked, it's crunchy, and it's lemon pepper. Douse it with oil. 1 egg, fresh parsley, lemon butter garlic. 1. Ooh, it's a lot. Some of this Chef Marito's chicken bouillon seasoning. Just right in here. We're gonna do lemon pepper rice. So good. Lots of cracked black pepper. Mush it all together. It's nice and crunchy without frying. Seasoned breadcrumbs. Panko. Lemon butter garlic. Parm. Bury it. Shake. Place. This is the hardest thing about the whole recipe. It's just cleaning this up. Shake oil all over it. Going in the oven. Pop it in. And then I flipped it halfway through. Doused it with some more oil. Oh my God. For lemon pepper rice. I grab your chicken.
Let's try it. This is the best meal. 10 out of 10.
Make it.